Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 40SE, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device. So right here where the pin is holding. You want to push it in. As you can see, the tray will pop out ever so slightly. And once you take it out, you'll have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. I'm going to be occupying the tray with one of each. I will also mention that the SD card that I'm placing actually does not work, so it will give me some like errors or whatever that I need to format it or some stuff like that. So we'll see. But obviously, even when it pops out with that kind of message, it's obvious that the card is being, in a way, read. So we do have pop-out for, there we go, unsupported SD card, but it doesn't read it, it just broken. And we also have our reception play, and you can see, so both of the cards are working just fine. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.